Hello there, welcome back. Today I have for you this Halo eye makeup and I used my Dream Street palette to achieve this makeup look, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not very pleased how this turned out. I like the eye that I did off camera better, but I still wanted to post this video because I want to show you guys that I have struggles too. So I guess I was very confident when I when I used this palette. So it's not the palette, it's not the eyeshadows, it's just me. I was very confident, I guess. And also the camera picks the colors way darker than they really are because I changed the settings, and I'm sorry for that. And as you saw, I already primed my lid, and next I'm going to use Magical and I'm going to apply this eyeshadow all over my lid and my crease. And next I'm going with Spark, and this is such a beautiful reddish pinkish orangey, I don't know how to describe this color, but it's gorgeous. And I'm focusing the darker shades more in my inner corner and my outer corner of my lid, and don't worry, you don't have to be very precise if you can achieve that halo effect with just eyeshadow. We are going to use concealer anyway, and trust me, it will look okay. And for this makeup I used Scotch Band because I wanted to achieve that clean look. As you can see, I'm building up the colors because I want them to be very intense. And next I'm going with the eyeshadow Elfish, such a cute name, and I'm going to follow the exact same steps I did with Spark. And these eyeshadows are very buildable, pigmented, blendable. I really like the formula, but it was my first time trying them and I don't know, I have to play more with them. Next I'm going to take concealer on a flat brush and I'm going to follow where my crease cuts, I guess. I'm going to cut that crease, but then I'm switching the brush with a smaller one because I want it to be more precise, and I'm going to create that halo effect. Next I'm going with Kaleidoscope, I don't know how to pronounce that, but on the pan this looks more like a grayish eyeshadow, but when I swatch this on my hand is more like a champagne-y, golden, I don't know, it's gorgeous. And first I use this dry because I wanted to set that concealer, and then I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to use again this eyeshadow wet. Then I'm going again with Elfish and I'm going to buff those edges because they are not cute. Next I'm going to apply glitter on top of that Kaleidoscope shadow, and this is not the best eyeliner glitter that I have, but I wanted to use it anyway because it looks gorgeous on top of that eyeshadow. And I'm going to put some on the back of my hand and I'm going to pick that with the brush, and I had to be very quick because this dries very fast. Next I'm picking Moony to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, and again this is such a gorgeous eyeshadow. On my bottom lash line I'm starting with Elfish and I'm going to build that color, and then I'm going with Spark and I'm going to buff everything out, everything. Off camera, I applied my Lavio lashes, and these are in the style Barcelona, and for my highlight I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight, and I'm going to mix Dream and Glow, and thanks God I don't have long nails. And I'm going to apply my highlight with a sponge. And don't forget to highlight your stash. And to finish this makeup look, I'm going to use the matte lipstick. This is in the shade Aquarius 2 in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. And that's it. My makeup look is complete. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah! So this eye is a little bit different, but it's okay because I'm not perfect. Nothing is perfect, so yeah.